When it's time for me to inflate my stand-up paddleboard or my inflatable tent, sometimes I have a hard time remembering what the PSI is that I need to inflate these to. I'm Gina with WTI, and this pump that I got from Tonsim has taken the guesswork out of it. You can toggle through different settings and it has preset PSIs for you. So helpful on the tent, especially. I always forget that it's supposed to be up to 7 PSI. This has auto shut off, which means that I can set it and forget it. I can do other things while it's pumping up and not worry that I have to be right there to shut it off once it reaches that PSI I've set it at. This is very user friendly. The buttons are big, the display is bright, and it's super easy. You just short press the power button, toggle through the different settings, and then once you get to the one you want, you can either change the PSI or just press the power button again and off it goes. This also deflates, so notice how paper thin my sup gets once it's time to put back into the bag. So this is rechargeable, but another great thing about this pump is it comes with a 12-volt DC car adapter. If you're looking for an electric pump, you should check this one out, and that's my point of view.